It's 7:20 a.m. We're in Glendale, Arizona. Getting ready for my ride. I always spend a few minutes in the garage doing a safety check, make sure that all systems are go, and we're cleared for takeoff. Let's go. I try to get out every morning just because I love it. I think that people give me more credit than I deserve. Riding the trike is pretty easy. I call it a lawn chair on wheels. I do have to pedal, but not all of the time, not like a stationary bike. I just pedal and then glide. I do a lot of gliding. I'm fortunate that my knees are okay, especially at my advanced age. But I'm not getting any younger, and at some point I'll invest in an electric assist. And that way I can still pedal and get a little bit of help from electricity. I've been riding a recumbent trike for, about 7 years now, and I'm still learning more about it. I hope to do a lot more of it. Okay, it's time for me to do a little pit stop. Thanks for riding along with me. I'll see you next time.